what if you study the entire day without doing anything else? Will that help you become the best student of your class? Not really. In fact, if you keep on studying the entire day without doing anything else, you will get tired after a time and you may also fall sick. Similarly, if you try to play the entire day without doing anything, then what will happen? Well, even here, you will get tired after a time and you may fall sick again. Also, because you will not study, so you will not learn anything in that day. So, if you want to become an ideal student of your class, you will have to have a balance between study and games. And only then you can become an ideal student. Because an ideal student is good at studies as well as sports, because he is able to maintain a balance between both of them. So just like we need to maintain a balance between studies and sports, similarly, even when we eat food, we need to maintain a balance so that we are able to eat all types of food, so that all the good things in each and every food, we are able to get it. So all these different qualities of food which we see are divided into 7 food groups. What are these 7 food groups? They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and fiber. Now, among them, vitamins, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates are the most important, and they need to be eaten every day. So let's see what carbohydrates are. Well, carbohydrates are energy giving food. That is, when you have carbohydrates, you get lots of energy inside you. And people who work very hard, for example, laborers, they carry heavy weights and walk a lot. They need lots of energy for such work, isn't it? So they will need to eat a lot of carbohydrates, which they can get from rice and chapatis. Now, because rice and chapatis are very high in carbohydrate and we all need energy, that's why they are the main part of all our meals. Now, another kind of food is protein. Now, protein is a bodybuilding food. It helps us grow and it helps us grow our muscles. So, if somebody is a bodybuilder, he needs to build a lots of muscles, isn't it? So they will need to eat a lot of proteins. And when they eat a lot of proteins, then they will have very strong muscles and they can grow a lot of muscles. And from where can we get proteins? Well, we can get proteins from chicken and eggs. Now, what about you? What sort of food you need? Well, you are a growing kid, isn't it? So when you are growing, you will need a lot of muscles. And how do you get all those muscles? Well, you will get those muscles by eating proteins. So you should have a lot of proteins in your food. And at the same time, you are always active, isn't it? Because you are a growing kid. So you're always active, you go to school, you play, you study, and you do a lot of activities in the entire day. And for that, you need a lot of energy. Where do you get the energy from? You get the energy from the carbohydrates. So for a growing kid, carbohydrates and proteins are the most important food. So you should have food items such as milk and eggs, which will give you proteins, while you can have carbohydrates such as rice, chapati, and breads. So when you have all these food, you will have enough nutrition and you will grow strong. So apart from our daily activities like studying and going out to play, we also perform some other activities like singing, dancing, maybe even swimming and playing football, which we do occasionally. That is, we devote very less time for them. Similarly, there are some food items like the vitamins which are required in less quantity, but they are as important as any other food item. And where do we get vitamins from? We get them from fruits and vegetables. So you see, different types of food items are required in right quantity so that we can grow strong and grow fit. And all these food, when eaten in right quantities, such a diet is called a balanced diet. So what exactly is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet consisting of different types of food providing adequate amounts of nutrients necessary for good health. That is, all the nutrients which are required by our body are provided in right quantities, and such a diet is called a balanced diet. Now, a balanced diet may differ from person to person. So, nutrients like carbohydrates, vitamins, and proteins are very important for our body. And when we eat them in the right quantities, then that diet is called a balanced diet. So, another important thing about balanced diet is that whatever food we eat, it depends on our body's requirements. It depends on the type of work we do. So, for every person, balanced diet will be very different. But one thing is common. Whenever we have a diet, a major part of it should contain vegetables and fruits. So, whenever you have a diet, a balanced diet would contain maximum amount of fruits and vegetables, and then the other half will contain all the other types like carbohydrates and proteins. So let's understand with an example. For example, if a boy wants to become a singer, so what he needs to do is he needs to devote maximum time in singing practice, and the time left will be divided between play and study so that he can also learn and he can remain fit. Similarly, if somebody wants to be a doctor, well, then they will have to devote maximum time in study, and the rest of the time they will devote in recreation and play so that they can have a fit mind and body. Similarly, when we talk about people who do different works, for example, a bodybuilder, what will a bodybuilder need to eat? Well, a bodybuilder needs to build muscles. So, for him, proteins are very important. So, for his balanced diet, he will have major portion of protein. And apart from that, he will have vitamins and carbohydrates for energy and keeping himself fit. At the same time, for a laborer, he needs a lot of energy because he does a lot of hard work or physical labor. So, a laborer will need a lot of carbohydrates so that he can get a lot of energy for doing his work. But at the same time, he will also have some protein so that he can build his muscles, and he will have vitamins and minerals so that he can keep diseases away. So you see, different people can have different types of balanced diet, but we should always eat a balanced diet according to our body so that we can remain healthy, fit and fine.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.